Uno Wild Jackpot, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Give each player an equal number of customizable rule cards. Set any extras aside. They will not be used. Erase any rules already written on them with a damp rag, then each player writes a fun, unique, or crazy rule on each of their customizable cards. Once finished, shuffle them, then load them into the card dispenser. Place the game unit in the middle of the table. A jackpot card may only be played on a matching color or matching jackpot card. A wild jackpot card is a wild that may be played on any other card. Then you pick the color that resumes play. When you play a jackpot or wild jackpot card, you must pull the lever on the game unit and follow the instructions for the symbol that the arrow lands on. The symbols are custom rule. Pick one player, including yourself, to press the button on the game unit to spit out a customized rule card. That player must perform the rule written on the card if possible. Custom rule right and custom rule left. The player to either your right or left, as indicated by the arrow, must draw a custom rule card and perform the rule. Custom rule all. Every player, starting with you, must draw a custom rule card and perform it. Discard colors. You may discard up to one card of each color from your hand to the discard. You may discard the cards in any order, ignoring the discard requirement. You may not discard wilds as colors. Any action cards discarded will only affect the next player in turn order. Draw 4. You must draw 4 cards. After spinning the jackpot and following the symbol, your turn ends. If you perform a custom rule, then place that rule card behind the game unit. If ever you run out of rule cards in the game unit, shuffle the rule cards behind the unit and reload the tray. If a wild jackpot card, or jackpot card, is the first card flipped at the beginning of the game, then the player to the left of the dealer picks any player. That player must then take a rule card and perform the rule before the game can begin. At the end of the game, jackpot cards are worth 40 points each, and wild jackpot cards are worth 50.